Hi there, thanks for coming back to my channel. My name is Mike Pitt. I make videos about marketing, business and crypto so you can grow your business, increase your profits and increase your portfolios. The title for today's video is, are you planning to start an e-commerce business? Before I get into the main content of the video, I'm going to put my socials on screen here. So if you're active on any of those platforms, connect with me, send me a message and I'll respond in the usual fashion. One other announcement, this video has a sponsor. It's a company called Osome. Osome are experts in organizing your e-commerce business accounts. So you don't have to worry about filing company reports or paying your taxes on time. Osome accountants take care of all your finance admin through their app and are always on hand to answer your questions and give advice based on your company accounts. Track your finances while managing payments and invoices all in one place, so you can focus on doing more, like reaching new customers and building your brand. Get a finance manager at a low cost with Osome. Click the link in the description to access the special offer. Pay up front for the year and get 2 months for free. There may be a number of reasons why you're deciding to start an e-commerce business. Perhaps you always wanted to, but you went into a 9-to-5 because it's more reliable or safer. Perhaps you'd heard about drop shipping or Amazon FBA and wanted to explore, but you didn't have the time to. Well, there have been a lot of changes over the last couple of years. The pandemic has affected people's work patterns, and also people have had a greater focus on working and following up on their own dreams rather than just doing what perhaps society would have them do in following traditional work patterns. Whatever the motivation, we're starting an e-commerce business and it could transform your life. I'm not going to promise that you're going to have make so much revenue that you're going to buy Lamborghinis and private islands and fly private jets, and that's what some of the guys do, the hype guys as I like to call them. That's what some of them do on YouTube, but realistically it can change your life and it can provide an additional income stream if you're thinking it's a side gig. There are a few questions you need to consider if you are planning an e-commerce business. The first is, what are you going to sell? So it may be something related to your hobbies, your interests, your pastimes, what you like to do in your downtime away from your traditional sort of work. If you have a traditional job, that might drive what you sell with your e-commerce business. Or it may be that you've done some research and found there are particular items, maybe toys, maybe a particular sector or style of clothing that does really well, and then that's why you want to do your e-commerce business. I can't help you decide what you're going to sell. What I can suggest is, once you've decided on what you're going to sell as an e-commerce business, you can look at a different number of platforms. I've mentioned already there's eBay and Amazon, but our personal recommendation coming from Marketing Fundamentals is for Shopify. It's a very simple platform, intuitive, good user interface, and people who are new to e-commerce can establish themselves relatively quickly. And that's why I have a link in the description for you to start a 14-day trial with Shopify. Once you're on there, you can experiment, create a store, start selling before the trial period is over, and then decide if you want to follow up on one of the subscription plans. I'll put a screenshot of the subscription plans on screen now, so you can have a look at that and freeze frame it and have a look at that if you want to consider that in detail. The third aspect, and that I think is essential, and some people neglect this, and I've already hinted at it in talking about Osome, you need to make sure your finances are in order, and working with Osome, you'll be able to do that. So those are the 3 key considerations I think you should resolve in your mind and have a plan if you're considering starting an e-commerce business. Hope this short video has been useful to you. Thanks for watching all the way through. I appreciate it. If you've liked this video, give me a like. Click on one of the 2 thumbnails to watch another video from me. I look forward to speaking to you next time. And as always, if you have any comments or questions, drop them in the comment section below and I will respond. Thanks for now. All right, take care. See you next one. Bye-bye.